right, Steve-O. All right, Steve.
Try to get a hook, Steve.
There you go, Steve. Come on.
Keep the bag. Hook. Hook.
Yeah, Steve. Come on. Come on, Steve. You got it. Yeah. Come on, Steve.
Hook it in.
You got it, Steve. That's right. Come on. Keep it on, Steve.
Throw some punches, Steve. Soften him up, Steven. Steven,
You're good, Steve.
Forehead. Pull back on his forehead.
There you go.
Try to get on top, Steven.
Yeah, there you go, Steve. Punch him a little bit, Steve. There you go. Come on. You got it, Steve. There you go.
Stay on top, there you go. Pull on your hand.
Yeah, you got it, Steve.
Pull on your hand.
You got it, Steve.
Pull on your hand, Steven. Pull on your hand, Mike. Get on top. Get on top. Keep that body lock. Keep that body lock. Squeeze that body lock.
Punch it, Steve.
There you go. There you go.
There you go, Steve.
I grab your hand, not your arm.
He wants to hit. Hit back, Steve. Come on, Steve. You got it, Steve.
Get up there. No, keep going, keep going.
Keep going, Steve.
Got an arm triangle there, Steve.
Good job, Steve. Smap it again, dude.
Vaseline.
Huh? Hey, dude. Steve. Oh yeah, definitely. It didn't, sometimes, like everybody, they do it, but, it doesn't matter. At least it's winning, right? No, I'm just saying, yeah, most of the time, when it goes something like that, they start doing shit out of everything,
Are you second time?
All right, Steve-O. Hey, Steve. Doing good, man. Keep it up. You got it.
Ready?
Yeah, Steve. Come on. There you go.
Knee up high. Knee up high while you pass. Keep that knee up in his shoulder, Steven. Keep that knee high.
There you go. Keep it. Hang on, Steve. Hang on.
Isolate that arm. Isolate that arm. With the eraser set up the front. Grab that glove.
Grab the glove, Steve.
Work now, guys. Work. Thumbs up.
There you go, Steve. Come on.
Keep working this side.
Yes. Come on, Steve. Come on. You got it. Stay calm, Steve. Underhook the leg, Steve.
All right. Come on, guys. Smart. Come on, guys. Keep working, John.
There you go, Steve. Keep doing that. He don't like that.
Work him and stand up.
You know what to do, Steve. You know what to do. You got it.
Heels on his hips, Steven. Work him and stand up.
You know what to do, Steve. Stay calm.
Hips out. Gotta get that arm. Pull out now. Back door. Pull out all the way.
There you go, Steve.
Keep working out. Go.
There you go, Steve. Keep going if you can.
Push on his head, Steven. Push on his head.
Good job, Steve.
Pull him back down. Pull him down, Steve. Pull him down.
Work, guys, and stand you up here. Grip control, Steven. Here, break. Come on. Up.
Steve, come on. Come on, Steve. You got it. Yes, hey. He's tired. You got him, Steve.
Keep your head moving.
Watch his distance. There. Knees. Knee to the stomach, Steve. Knee to the stomach.
10 seconds, Steven. Keep working.
Knee to the stomach, Steve. Knee to the stomach. Hey. Whenever you're going like that, try the knee. If you can think about it, try the knee whenever you're going like that. But you're doing fine. You got it, man. Water bottle. Water right there. Steve. Thanks. Steve. Steve, you gotta win this round, Steve. You gotta win this round, Steve.
Come in.
Yes! Oh, shit. Don't let him get this, Steve. Come on.
There you go. Hit again, Steven.
There you go, Steve.
Good job, Steven.
Yeah.
Overhook that.